In the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, lies a region marked by resilience, but often ravaged by the unforgiving force of nature. In the summer of 2022, Pakistan was plunged into chaos as massive floods swept across the nation, leaving devastation in their wake. In the provinces of Sindh and Balochistan, the toll was particularly severe.
मुंहिंजो नालो किरण आहे 2022 में बोड आई उन खां पोइ मुंहिंजो घरवारो फौत थी वियो सफ़ा असांजा बिल्कुलु घर बि तबाह थी विया
मुंहिंजो नालो शहज़ादी आहे मुंहिंजे ॻोठ जो नालो पुनल कटोर आहे जेको असांजो कारोबार हुयो असांजे माल ते असांजा बाग हुया उहे 22 वारे सैलाब में सफ़ा लुड़ी ख़तम थी विया
22 में जॾहिं ॿोॾि थी तॾहिं असांजा माना ॿनी ॿनी ॿुॾी वई हुई ऐं मुंहिंजो घरवारो मुश्किलात जाम असां वटि हुई पैसो भाई कोन हो पोइ मुंहिंजो घरवारो मज़ूरी कंदो मुंहिंजे ॿारनि पढ़णु करणु सभु कुझु स्कूल छॾे ॾिनी हुई पाणी घणो निकिरी न सघियासीं माल हर शइ पई लुड़ी
$75,000 square kilometers submerged, 33 million people affected, 1,717 lives lost, and countless homes destroyed. The numbers tell a story of unparalleled tragedy, where the very fabric of life was torn asunder.
The people are memorizing all these such nightmares. I have visited Thari Mirwa, that's what really ruined area after 2022 floods. There were some hygiene issues in schools, there were no washrooms.
Districts like Umerkot and Khairpur in Sindh bore the brunt of nature's fury. Here, the need for relief and recovery was paramount, with communities grappling with the aftermath of the floods. Amidst the chaos, Pak Mission Society, alongside its German development partners, GFFO and Humatica International, stepped forward to provide a glimmer of hope. Their interventions spanned across critical sectors, addressing the urgent needs of those most affected. In the realm of water, sanitation, and hygiene, WASH, Pak Mission Society embarked on a comprehensive rehabilitation effort and restored 100 damaged water sources, distributed 5,000 hygiene kits, 3,000 dignity kits, and installed 20 water filtration plants and provided 2,500 VIP ventilated improved pit latrines. All these efforts were backed by a comprehensive awareness campaign in targeted communities, and that too, in their native languages, for improved benefits. But their impact went beyond the basics. Pak Mission Society invested in community-led initiatives, fostering resilience and self-sufficiency. Introducing the concept of a model village in District Khairpur and Sukur. This included construction of one-room shelter, safe places, wash facilities in 20 schools, solarization, provision of furniture, formation of CERTs and capacity building, and provision of emergency response kits, along with support for line departments,
हे जो वाटर पंप पहिरें असांजो ठहियलु हुयो जेको 2022 वारे बरसाति में ख़तमु थी वियो तबाह थी वियो पोइ GFF वारनि अची असांखे ठाहे ॾिनो पाक मशीन वारनि जेको पाणी स्टोर थी असांजे घर ॾे थो वञे ॻोठ में हिकु ई लीड पंप लॻल आहे जिते असां उते ई पाणी इस्तेमालु करे जो पंहिंजूं ज़रूरतूं पूरियूं था कयूं शुक्रगुज़ार आहियूं GFF वारनि जो
ॻोठ फुलाणी में रहंदो आहियां असांजी टांकी सफ़ा माना ख़तमु थी वई पाक मिशन इदारे ऐं GFF असांखे टांकी ठहिराए ॾिनी जंहिंसां असांजे माना ॻोठ जो मसइलो हल थी वियो
Recognizing the importance of food security and nutrition, POC Mission Society provided vital support to pregnant and lactating women, offering multivitamins and essential equipment. The society also bolstered local health infrastructure, equipping flood-affected health centers with the resources they needed to serve their communities. But perhaps most importantly, POC Mission Society invested in the future. Through conditional and non-conditional grants, they offered a lifeline to families seeking to rebuild their lives. In addition to this, POC Mission Society provided livelihood support, mitigation schemes, nadi filters, livestock vaccination, seed and fertilizers, and shelter material for affected families, empowering individuals to chart a path towards economic independence. Trainings were provided for kitchen gardening, community-led total sanitation, hygiene sessions, CERT trainings, and formation of village development plan.
PMS वारनि पैसा ॾिना जिनजे करे असांजो गुज़र सफ़र हले थो सिलाई मशीन ते असां वटि घर बि आहे सभु कुझु आहे असां हाणे PMS वारनि जो शुक्रिया अदा कयूं था
पाक मशीन सोसाइटी वारे साथ ॾिनो उहा में मां पैसा ॾिना उहा में मशीन लीधी लुगड़ा लीधा उहा में जाम ख़ुशि थी उहा नी महिरबानी जाम जाम
As the waters recede and the land begins to heal, one thing is clear: the resilience of the human spirit knows no bounds. Thanks to the tireless efforts of organizations like POC Mission Society, communities in Sindh are not just surviving, they're thriving.
Impact, actually we implemented 3 components. The first component was the wash component, where we have implemented several water, sanitation and hygiene related activity. The second component was food security and livelihood component, where we have provided the conditional and unconditional grant support to the beneficiaries. So POC Mission Society reached around 13,000 direct beneficiaries during the project and 73,000 indirect beneficiaries. I'm thankful to GFFO, I'm thankful to Humedica for their generous financial support. Through this support, we were able to make the significant impact to the lives of flood affected community, and I am thankful for their support.
Together, let us continue to stand in solidarity with the people of Sindh as they rebuild their lives and reclaim their futures. For in their resilience lies our collective strength, and in their triumphs, our greatest hope.
2 years passed since the floods 2022. There still lies a huge gap in the areas of shelter, access to safe water, sanitation, especially the restoration of the livelihood of these communities, where women and children, being the most vulnerable one, are still waiting to recover back from the after effects of the floods. POC Mission Society is already launched rehabilitation and long-term development projects in the area, with a focus on disaster risk reduction and anticipatory humanitarian actions, which can enable communities to be prepared better for any such disasters in future. And our actions should be proactive rather than reactive. Please join hand with POC Mission Society so that we can reach these unreached and vulnerable communities so that they can recover back better and enjoy the fullness of life.